Well, while he stalled, let's take a look at this Illinois Central right here. He's stalled out right now. We have still got the city rail. He's still hanging out over here. We are in home sweet Homewood. We're going to take a look over here, and we'll get to this caboose in a minute. Check out this caboose, Illinois Central, 9426. That is old school right there. But right now, we're at the Amtrak, the Homewood station here. We're in Homewood at the Amtrak station. I'm sorry, can't talk today. Let's see if we can get a good look at the, there we are, home sweet Homewood. It cut me off. He's moving slow. Kind of get a good look. Well, he stalled again, so we're going to take a look at the Homewood Amtrak station real quick. Up here in Homewood, Illinois. All right, let's see how this works. Yep, there it is. Homewood Amtrak, Chicago 23. Let's see if you can, I don't know if you can get in here or not. You can see it's open. Let me go around here and check. Looks like you go down the stairs and come up this platform. Two trains. Yep, you go down this platform. You see the trains moving out there. It's cool. This is the other side of it right here. Yep, this is the other side of it. I don't know if you can go inside here or not. We'll check. Check it out. Yeah, some of these are locked. Yeah. Yeah, it looks like it's closed for today. There's inside the Homewood station. Amtrak welcomes you to Homewood Station, hours 4 to 9. Yeah, I think what you do is you go down this stairwell and it puts you up on the platform. Up here on this platform, I believe. Check it out and see real quick. Just go down here and see where. Yep. Oh, I see. This goes to the Metro. Yeah, so you got different places you can go. I see. Okay. So this takes you up to the platform. Let's see real quick how far we can get up here. See if we can get on this platform. Yep, here we go. We're on the platform. There we are. Got a couple platforms here. I think one of this is for Metra and one is for the Amtrak. This is the Canadian National Line. You can see our stack train. There he is. Coming down the line. Let's see if we can zoom in down here. Yep. We're all red over here. I'll be definitely coming back and doing some rail fanning here though. Right here in Homewood. Walk down the platform real quick. Got benches on each side here. Like I said, this is Homewood to Chicago. There's the Amtrak right there. You must have to go, there's another set of stairs. You go up and around, you go up on the Amtrak. So I think I'm on Metra. This is the Metra. This is Amtrak. He's heading up towards Chicago. See, he's curving off into the yard. Yeah, and then here's, yeah, this is the Metro waiting room right here. Yeah. Yep, see, in here. This is really cool. Then you can walk through the doors. You got more benches down here, but then you have the view of the Illinois Central. All right, this stack train is still going. I think he's gonna stop again. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to jump off this thing. I just want to show you guys the Amtrak station in Homewood, Illinois. Check and see if we have anything else coming. Looks like we're all red as far as our lights go. Okay. Other platform is here. Go up the stairs and then you're on the Amtrak platform. So you got both of them running through here. That's pretty cool. There's the station there. And still got this double stack moving. All right. Yeah, I'm on the Metro line right now. Yeah, this is Metro here. He stalled again. Yep, there we go. There it is. All right. I think you got an elevator here. That's the elevator. All right. So back down the stairs you go. We got another line right here. There we go. Okay. There's the transit map. There of Chicago. Let's see. Okay. Check that out. Some of the pictures down through here. Like I said, now I'm down here is Amtrak down here. Yeah, there we go. There's Amtrak right there. You go up on their platform. There's the other side here. Amtrak station in Homewood. Can't get in there right now. It's closed. It'll be open later on. All right. Cool. Should be coming right on the other side of this double stack that's stalled. Here it comes. Looks like he's gonna stall too. Yep, he stopped as well.